If you're starting a hair business on Shopify, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to add hair products to your Shopify website, including I'll be showing you how to launch your first product, how to bulk launch multiple products. I'm also going to walk you through how to add variants, and even how to add a launching soon or a pre-launch banner to your website to prep your customers for your next product launch. To get straight into it, I will open up my website, and if you're inside your theme editor, you want to click the exit button, which should take you to your online store page. You'll want to click on the products tab, where you'll be able to open up and customize existing products, and you'll be able to add brand new products to your website. So to launch your first product, you'll want to click Add Product. Then you'll see the page where you can start filling in all the details for the product that you're launching. I'm going to walk you through each of these sections. You'll want to start by adding the title for your hair product. Once you added your title, next you can do your description. Then you can add the pictures of your hair product. I'm going to start by adding the pictures in the media field. Try to add high quality photos of your hair. You can also rearrange the layout of the photos. You want to set the category for your product. It might automatically detect what product you're launching, and if not, you can choose between the options that they have. Then I'll be adding in the product description. You'll notice you have a few different ways you can customize your description. You can insert pictures and also videos throughout your description, and you can edit the formatting of the text in case you would like to make some of the text larger or bolder than others. A quick way you can do your description is to use a strong prompt that you can put into an AI writing tool like ChatGPT. That way you can have your whole description generated. I've opened up my community. I do have a full prompt pack inside my community, and it has a ton of prompts that you can use for your website. As a community member, you'll get access to a ton of Shopify resources that you can use for your website. These are all planners and resources that you can use to help you not only get your website set up, but also to launch your product. You'll be able to download and enjoy all of these for free. I'm going to open up the prompt pack, and this has a ton of website prompts. I'm going to be using the product description prompt, so I'm first going to copy this prompt. And now I've opened up ChatGPT, and I'm going to add in that prompt. Don't forget to customize the prompt to fit the exact product that you're launching. This can help you to save time from writing your description. And don't forget, you can make any changes to your description afterwards. I'm going to copy this description. I'm going to add that description here in the description field. You can also customize any of your description text. After adding your description, now you can set the price for your product. You can customize some of the other price settings when you click this drop-down. You'll be able to choose if you want to charge tax at checkout on the product, and also if you want to set a compare at price. For the next two sections, you'll see the inventory and then the shipping section. For the inventory part, you can list how much of this product you have in stock. You can add in your stock amount for each of your locations. If you need to customize the locations, you can click the pen icon to remove locations. You'll have a few more inventory settings you can customize when you click this drop-down. And in the shipping section, you can key in your package size for the specific product that you're launching. Just click Add New Package if you need to add a new package size. After you add a new package, you should see it appear in this list. Or you can click Manage Packages to select it or edit it in the future. You can also add in your product's weight, and they have a few different weight formats that you can select. Next up, you can add in your product variants. This will represent if you have your hair product available in different length, colors, or even other options. If you're launching a product that doesn't need variants, you can just skip over the variant section. And later on in the video, I'm going to walk you through step-by-step how to add variants in case you need it for your product. In the category meta fields is where you can list the key specifications of your product so that you can categorize it and organize it inside your website for if you ever need to bulk select or bulk edit your product. You can also help to categorize your product in the product meta fields section. To edit the meta fields, you can click on them and then click on the text. This should take you to a page where you can customize the name of the meta field and what it's for. If you're a beginner to Shopify, you can usually skip over this section. Then you can customize the search engine listing display if you want to edit how the listing appears in search engine results. Here's also where you can edit that URL handle in case you want to change it. I'm going to scroll to the top of the page, and under product organization, you'll see a few more settings where you can type in the type of product that you're listing. You can put the vendor of the product, or you can list yourself as the vendor. You can add the product to a collection you've created, and you can also add product tags. The product tags will represent different search terms that your customers might be searching on your website to find this specific type of product that you're launching. Try to add the product tags that are similar to what your customers would be searching for. Once your hair product is launch ready, you can set that product status to active, then click Save to officially launch your product. And if you're new to Shopify and you're still deciding which plan to choose, or if you're still in the test run phase of setting up your store and getting your website prepared, I have a deal you guys can use for Shopify where you can get your first 3 days on Shopify for free. Then afterwards, you can enjoy 3 whole months on Shopify for just $1 a month. I'm going to put that Shopify sign up link in the description box below so that you can start setting up your store without needing to commit to a plan just yet. Did you also know that when you choose your plan, you don't have to pay the standard monthly price? You can save 25% off your plan every single month when you select to get an annual plan. This way you can save the most money. Again, I'm going to put that Shopify sign up link in the description box below. To view your product, click Online Store. Then you can edit your theme and take a look at your product page. I'm here inside my website, and if you added your product to a collection, you can open up that exact product collection, and you should see your product inside that collection. You can also just scroll to the top of your website and use the search bar to search for the product that you just launched. I'm going to open up this product and then take a look at the product page. Don't forget, you can make additional changes to your product page. You can customize the arrangement of the text, and you can also customize the product media gallery layout. Just click on the product information box to see all the additional customization options that you'll have for the section. Next, you can also click the mobile icon to get an idea of how your product is going to look on a mobile device. Keep watching because next I'm going to show you how to bulk add products in case you need to launch multiple products or even dozens of products at once. I'm also going to show you how to stack and add different variants to your product. Then for a bonus, I'm going to show you how to add a launching soon banner to your homepage so that you can prepare your website visitors for your next product launch. If you haven't yet displayed the product that we just launched on your website's homepage, there's a few different ways you can do that. The first way would be to add a featured collection to your homepage. This is a section that can give your customers a look inside of one of your product collections. Feel free to add multiple featured collections to your homepage in case you need to feature multiple products. You can also add pictures of that product to the very top of your website on your main banner or your main slideshow. Also, if you are selling hair or hair products online, you can skip the hours from having to do your entire website from scratch. I have a line of hair Shopify theme templates, which are already laid out and branded to help you save time from having to code or do your entire website from scratch. On my website, I have this Shopify theme available, along with some collections of other types of Shopify themes for different business types. Using a pre-done Shopify theme allows you to get that professional look for your website. The website template is customizable. You can change the colors, add your pictures, and add your products, and after installing it, you can publish it. The install process is quite simple. Once you've picked a theme that you like, that template is going to arrive as a zip file, and on Shopify, you can click Upload a zip file to upload it straight into your store. You'll be able to open it, customize it, and publish it. And depending on your business type or your branding style, I have a variety of Shopify templates with different styles for you to choose from. Every one of my Shopify themes included a step-by-step installation guide to show you how to install and set up the template. There's no coding required, and using a website template can give your store that optimized, elevated look without you needing design or coding experience. I'm going to link this Shopify theme in the description box below, and I'll put another link so that you can find other themes in different styles and grab the one that fits your brand to perfection. Now I'm going to show you how to bulk add products. So for example, based on the product that you're currently launching, if you're going to launch a set of products that are just like the one that you're launching right now, maybe you're launching a line of about 5 hair extensions, and you basically want to use the same product details that you filled in for this product, instead of basically re-adding a new product to your website and starting the entire product page over. What you want to do is at the top of your product editing page, you'll notice this duplicate button. You'll be able to click this, and it's going to let you select what all you want to duplicate for the next product that you're adding. So first up, it's automatically going to default to want to duplicate the title. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be customizing this title to fit what the new product is going to be. I'm going to unselect the media because I don't want it to automatically add the same photos that I have on this product. Then you can select what you want the product status to be. So I'm going to set the product status to active, and then I'm going to click duplicate product. Once you're done, you'll notice that it should keep all those other settings that you have set for the product. That way you don't have to re-key in the same exact details. Don't forget to make any changes or customizations that you need to make to still make sure that the product page fits the product that you're launching. So for example, since the product description is tailored to promote body wave extensions, just for an example, I'm going to go in and change any parts that say body wave to basically match that new product that I'm launching. You can also update the tags as well. So these tags are for anybody searching for body wave extensions. I'm going to remove some of these and then just update them. You can repeat those steps to launch multiple products on your store without having to do all of your product pages from a blank page. If you also need to bulk edit your product prices, you want to open up your products page. Then you'll be able to select which products you want to edit. Once you're done, you can click the bulk edit button, which will take you to a page where you can bulk edit the products. So for example, if I wanted to set these all to the same price, I can do that. So I'm going to type in a new price. This editing page is a little bit similar to Google Sheets. So I'm going to click on this box. And then I'm going to drag down this section so that I can bulk apply that price tag to all the products. This also works even if you don't want to set your products to the same exact price. It still lets you see your categorized products laid out where you can select to manually update the price tags. Now to add product variants, you'll want to scroll down on your product page until you see the variant section. I'm going to click add options like size or color. I've typed in length because it's going to represent the length of the different hair extensions, and then I'm going to click create. Now you can add in the option values. So I'm going to add in some different example lengths that the hair is available in. Once you're done, you can click done, and it's going to show you the settings where you can customize each of the variants in case you want to set different prices for them. So that's just my first variant, which is going to be for length. I'm going to click add another option, and then I'll be adding one for a color. This is in case you have your hair product available in different colors. You can select from the colors that they have, or you can also add in new colors. Once you added in those variants, When you scroll down, you should see them added as sub-variants under the main variant. Don't forget to make sure that your variants are in stock so that your customers can order them. So here it's showing that the variants don't have any in stock. So first up, I'm going to save this product. Then I'm going to bulk select all the variants, and then I'm going to click bulk edit. This is going to take you to the page where you can see those variants. You'll notice the different locations added, and then you'll be able to manually type in how much you have in stock for each of the product variants. In case you need a bulk edit, additional customization, you can scroll to see the other customization options that they have for the variant. I'm going to click save to go ahead and save those changes, and that's how to make sure that your variants are in stock so that your customers will be able to order them. Now we can take a look at how the product looks, especially with those variants added. So I'm going to click online store, then I'm going to click edit theme, and I'm going to open up that product that I launched. Here on your product page, you should see those variants added to the product. So here, customers will be able to select which length of the hair they want to order, and they'll also be able to select which color. That's a beginner-friendly way to add product variants. And next, for a bonus, I'm going to show you a no-code way that you can add a product launch banner or like a pre-launch banner to your website so that you can announce to your website visitors that you have a product that is launching soon. So for the first step, you'll want to go into your theme editor, and you can decide where on your homepage you want to add a launching soon or a pre-launch banner. Once you've found a section where you want to add the banner, in between sections, click the Add Section button, and you'll be able to insert something like an image banner. I'm going to select to insert an image banner section. Once you've done that, you should be able to customize this section. So you can change the heading text and also the subheading text. I'll be adding my very own launching soon banner. So I'm just going to be removing the current sections that are on this section. That leaves me with a blank section where I can click select to upload my very own image or banner. In my community, I have a set of launching soon banners so that you don't have to do your launching soon banner from scratch. And just for a few more details about my community, it has a huge collection of Shopify resources designed to help you set up and manage your store on Shopify. Inside my community, there are website prompt packs to help you generate product descriptions, about us text, and other important website copy, along with size chart templates, product launch planners so that you can plan out your product launches. There's also my Shopify Basics guide, which is perfect for if you're brand new to the platform. Once you're a member, you'll have 24/7 access to download and enjoy every single digital item in the membership. The link for where you can join is in the description below. So I'm going to download this. Then I'm going to open up the Launching Soon banner templates. It has a few different style of banners, so you can choose which one fits your business the most. I've decided I'm going to use this third banner here. This is going to be the Launching Soon or the Product Sneak Peek banner. You'll be able to customize your Launching Soon banner, and you can change the color of the banner page in case you want it to match your website or your website's colors. Then you can customize the text to put your launch date of when the product is going to be available. Click uploads and you'll be able to upload photos of your product that you're launching, and all you have to do is just drag and drop your photo of your product. That way your customers can see a sneak peek of which product you're launching. I'm going to go ahead and make a few more changes to this product page. I'm just changing up the background color and then also the text colors. To download your Launching Soon banner, you can click share, then click download, and don't forget to select the exact banner that you want to download. That way you can download it straight to your computer. Then inside that section that I just added to Shopify, next to the first image, I'm going to click select so that I can upload the Launching Soon banner. And once you uploaded your Launching Soon banner, next to banner height, you can actually set this to adapt to first image so that your customers should be able to see the whole banner when they're on your website. You've noticed I've added a call to action that directs people to join an email list so that they can get notified of when the product launches. To add that email list, right underneath your Launching Soon banner, you can click Add Section, and then you can insert an email sign up. This way, as customers are reading the Launching Soon banner, they're going to see the email sign up right below it, and you can customize the email sign up section as well. So I'm just going to make a few minor tweaks to the email sign up. This way, website visitors will be able to see that Launching Soon banner, and then they'll be able to see the email sign up where they can go ahead and join and get notified of when the product drops. That's how to add a stunning Launching Soon banner to your website. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget, if you are interested in this Shopify template, I will have this link in my description box below. And I also have a wide variety of other types of Shopify templates designed for clothing, apparel, beauty, and many other types of businesses. If you're not too familiar with Shopify theme templates, after your order, you're going to receive it in a theme zip file format. And here on Shopify, you'll have the option to install that theme zip file straight into your store. You'll be able to edit the section, and you'll be able to add your pictures and products. Most of my Shopify themes are template bundles, so they do include other templates like logo templates, banner templates, and more. Those will be linked in my description box below. Thank you all so much for watching.